Word 2016, the document doctor. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about word processing software, Word 2016, starting Word 2016, components of Word 2016 window, creating a new document using File tab, typing text in Word document, saving the document, opening a saved document, closing a document, printing a document, editing the text, spelling and grammar check.
Dee, what is this big W icon? Is it a game? Darsh, it is Word 2016, your magic helper for typing homework, letters and fun projects. How do I type in this, Dee? Easy, just press the keys and your words will appear. Can I make the words look fun and colorful, Dee? Of course, you can add rainbow letters, twinkly stars and even silly pictures. Cool, I will write a story about a flying robot, Dee.
Love it, Darsh. Word 2016 is ready for takeoff. Word processing software. A word processing software is a program that helps us type, edit and format documents, letters, poems and reports. It also allows us to add pictures with the text. We can make changes to the text and change its appearance in different ways. Some popular word processing software are Microsoft Word, Google Docs, WordPad and OpenOffice Writer. In this chapter, we will learn about Word 2016. Word 2016. Word 2016 is the most popular word processing software available. It is a part of Microsoft
Office suite.
Uses of Word 2016. Text document creation. Type text documents like letters, poems, stories, projects, etc. Edit the text while typing and even after typing. Document saving. Save the document for future use. Text enhancement. Change the font type, size and color of the text. Make text bold, italic and underlined. Inserting elements. Add different symbols, characters, tables and pictures in between the text. Proofreading tools. Check spellings as well as grammar. Printing options. Print the complete document or a part of it. Let us learn how to start Word 2016. Starting Word 2016. The steps to start Word 2016 are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down to W and click on Word 2016 icon. The Word 2016 window will open. Step 3. Select the blank document option to create a new document. Components of Word 2016 window. Let us now look at the various components of Word 2016 window. Title bar. It is a horizontal bar at the top of the window. This bar displays the name of the document and name of the program. On the right of title bar, there are three control buttons: minimize, maximize or restore down and close. Tabs. They are located below the title bar. The default tabs in Word 2016 are Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. Each tab has a specific group of related functions and commands which are used to complete the tasks. File tab. File tab helps us to open, save, create and print a Word document. We can also do many other tasks with the help of this tab. Quick Access Toolbar. It is located in the top left corner of the Word window. It shows the commands we use quite often like save, undo and repeat, redo. Ribbon. It is located just below the Quick Access toolbar and contains different tabs and groups to perform different functions. Zoom slider. It is located in the bottom right corner of the Word window. It helps us get a closer or wider look of the text. It consists of a slider that we can slide left or right to zoom in or zoom out the text. Vertical scroll bar. It is used to scroll up and down to navigate a document. It is located on the right side of the window. Document area. This area is used to type text in Word 2016. The blinking vertical line on the screen is called the cursor. It represents the location where the text will appear when we type. Status bar. This bar contains detailed information about the document, like the current page number, word count, etc. Creating a new document using File tab. To create a new document using File tab, follow the steps below. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Step 2. Select the new option from the left pane. Step 3. Click on Blank Document option in the right pane. A blank document will appear on the screen. Typing text in Word document. Now start typing in the new blank document at the position of the cursor. Pressing the Enter key once will start a new line. Do not press the Enter key at the end of the line. Word automatically moves text to the next line when it reaches the end of a line. This feature is called Word Wrap. Saving the document. After completing work, it is important to save the document so that the typed information is not lost. Before saving the work, Word gives a default name to every file. For example, document 1, document 2, etc. The steps to save a document are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Click on the Save or Save As from the left pane, or we can click on the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar. Step 2. Select a location where we want to save the document by clicking on the Browse option. Step 3. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the location where we want to save the document. Step 4. Type a name to the document in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button to save the document for future use. We can see the given name of file at the title bar. Opening a saved document. We can open an already saved document to make further changes or to view the content. The steps to open an already saved document are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Open option from the left pane. Step 3. Select the location where we have saved our document by clicking on the Browse option. An open dialog box will appear. Step 4. Select the file and click on the Open button. This will open the required document. We can add or delete some text in that document and save it again. Closing a document. After saving our work properly, we can now close our document. The steps to close a document are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Close option from the left pane. If we have made any changes in the document and want to close without saving them, then Word will automatically ask to save the changes. It will close the document window, but the Word window will remain open. Printing a document. We can also take a printout or a hard copy of our document. The steps to print a document are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Print option from the left pane. Step 3. Click on the Print button. Editing the text. Making changes in a document is called editing. While typing text in Word 2016, we may make mistakes, or we may want to add or delete words or move text from one place to another. To do all these changes, Word 2016 provides us with useful editing tools. Some common editing tools are cut, copy, paste, redo, undo, spell check. Now, let us first learn how to select text in Word. But before we proceed, type the following text in your Word document. Save this document on the desktop with the name India. We will practice all our editing tools on this text only. Selecting a text block. A text block can be selected by using the computer mouse or keyboard. Using computer mouse. To select text using a computer mouse, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text to be selected. Step 2. Press left mouse button and drag the cursor to the end of the text to be selected. Step 3. Release the left mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. Using keyboard. To select text using a keyboard, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text to be selected. Step 2. Press and hold the Shift key. Step 3. Move the cursor to the end of the text to be selected using the arrow keys. Or click at the end of the text with the computer mouse. Step 4. Release the Shift key. The selected text gets highlighted. Once the text is highlighted, we can apply editing to this text block. Inserting the text. We can insert new text to an existing document. To insert text, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor at the place where we want to insert the text. Step 2. Start typing the text. Deleting text. We can delete the incorrect or unwanted text from the existing document. The steps to do so are as follows. Step 1. Select the text to be deleted. Step 2. Press backspace or delete to delete the text. The text gets deleted. Copying and pasting text. We may copy a block of text and paste it to another location in the same document or in any other document. Copy and paste options help us to avoid typing the same text again and again. To copy and paste a block of text, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the text that we want to copy. Step 2. Press the right mouse button and from the options available, select Copy or click on the Copy button on the clipboard group of the Home tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Place the cursor at the position where we want to paste the text. Step 4. Press the right mouse button once. We will be provided with 3 paste options. Select any of these to paste the text or click on the Paste button on the clipboard group of the Home tab on the ribbon. The text gets copied to the new position without getting removed from its original position. Now the document will look as shown. Moving text, cutting and pasting text. To move the text from one location to another, cut and paste commands are very helpful. To move a block of text, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the text that we want to move. Step 2. Press the right mouse button once and from the options available, select the Cut option or click on the Cut button on the clipboard group of the Home tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Place the cursor to the position where we want to paste our text. Step 4. Press the right mouse button once. We will be provided with 3 paste options. Select any of these to paste the text or click on the Paste button on the clipboard group of the Home tab on the ribbon. The text appears at the desired position and disappeared from its original position. Now the document will look as shown. Using undo or redo commands. Undo command is useful to cancel the effect of the last action taken in the document. Follow these steps to learn about undo command. Step 1. Write sky is blue in the document. Step 2. Click on the undo button on the quick access toolbar. Every time we click this option, the effect of the last action disappears. The redo command reverses the action of the undo command. The command can be used only if we have used the undo command. Click on the redo button on the quick access toolbar. Now we see that the alphabets reappear after clicking the redo button. Spelling and grammar check. When we type in Word 2016, we might make some mistakes. However, we can get error-free documents by using the spelling and grammar check feature. Word 2016 has a built-in dictionary and a set of grammar rules to check the spelling and grammar of the text. In Word 2016, spelling mistakes are shown by a red wavy line. Words not found in Words 2016 dictionary, such as proper nouns or brand names, are also marked with a red wavy underline. A blue wavy underline indicates grammatical mistakes. To rectify spelling mistakes, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Right-click on the red wavy underlined word. We will be shown many options as the correct spelling of this word. Step 2. From these options, we may choose the correct spelling of the word. Clicking on the correct word will itself replace the incorrect word in the document. Here, boutgt is an incorrect word, so Word 2016 gave a spelling check error. The correct word is bought, so we should choose it. One more option, Add to dictionary, is also shown in the option list. This may be used for our names. We can add our name to dictionary so that Word 2016 does not show it as a spelling mistake in future. To rectify grammatical mistakes, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Right-click on the word with the blue wavy underline. A list of possible correct words will appear. Step 2. Choose and click on the correct option. The incorrect word will be replaced with the correct one. There is no more way to check spelling and grammar in a document. The steps to check spelling and grammar as follows. Step 1. Click on the Review tab. Click on the Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group. The spelling or grammar pane will appear on the right side of the window. This pane will show all the mistakes in the document with suggested corrections one by one. Step 2. Select the correct suggestion and click on the Change button to rectify the mistakes until Word 2016 informs us that the spelling and grammar check is complete. Step 3. Click on OK to close the spelling and grammar check pane.